It looks like a minion. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing a Color Theory full face makeup. With that being said, let's get started. The products I'm going to be using today is the Athena painting palette You Can Be. And I have a review on this palette on my channel in case you guys want to go take a look at it. And I am also going to be using the Cream Makeup Water Washable, which is basically Halloween makeup. I'm also going to be using these two brushes. Color Theory is just basically getting colors that match your face, your shades, and that way you can get your perfect foundation shade. The shades that everybody uses that I've been seeing around is white, yellow, red, and blue. Start off by using a little bit of the white from You Can Be, and if I need a stronger white, I'm going to go ahead and use the Halloween one. Oh, I think I put too much white. So now I'm going to start to blend. Something's happening, but it's not my shade. I need to trust the process. Right now it just looks like I'm ready for Halloween. It looks like a minion. I'm going to add a little bit of red to see if it neutralizes any of this yellow. I think the red is working. Now I'm going to try and find a little bit of concealer for my under eye. After many tries trying to make something for concealer, I think I got it here in the middle. I had to put a lot of white, a lot of yellow, a lot of blue, a lot of red, and then put a lot of more blue. You guys know the deal. So guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think that it kind of matches. I think it could have gone better, but I tried. Those TikTok videos that you guys see in those YouTube shorts that show that they do it really quick, yeah, I don't know how they did that, because as you guys see, I tried and I tried and I tried. I went from a vampire, basically pale white, to a minion, very yellow, to a tomato, very red to what I have now, which I think this is the best that I've gotten right now from all the tries that you've seen. This one's the one that kind of matches my skin more. I do see a little bit of white here, but I think I can conceal that a little bit more if I would have put more product on it. But I think I got it down because my forehead matches. You guys can see the glare, but it matches my skin tone. I really like that you can use one palette, which is the Athena, to create a full face of makeup. I tried to use the Halloween white one at the beginning, but it was too watery, so I took it out of the equation, as you guys saw, because you guys didn't see that liquid white. You guys saw like the painting white. So this is what I came up with. So if you guys try it, have patience, because in the first try you might get it or you might not. You might have multiple tries like I did. So I tried, and I really like the shade that I did for the lipstick. So that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.